Yeah, so let us have a look at how you can pretty make a lot of money, and celebrate Christmas like crazy. Yeah, celebrate Christmas like mad, you know, dirty December. So you can actually plan for your December right now, okay, if you know how to use CBEX, CBEX.cx /, okay. So basically, we're going to having a look at CBEX today and have a quick review of CBEX. Let me go to the home page first. So looking at the home page, you can see that CBEX is a trading platform. Okay, when you say CBOX, Bitrex, Polonex, when the word X ends certain things. Okay, I'm not talking about your ex-girlfriend or something like that. I'm talking about exchange. So, this is the interface right here. You have the Bitcoin, you have the Bitcoin is here, Ethereum is there, Tron USD is here, and we have the XRP. Okay, and these are the top cryptocurrencies that we have globally today. So, this is the current price of Bitcoin. It's 7,000 per BTC. Ethereum 2,065 per Ethereum. 22 cents for Tron and $2.4 for XRP. So you can see, you can keep track of announcements by clicking here if you want. Then you can see news updates on Bitcoin and Trump crypto reserve drive. All of these updates are right here. So you can keep track of all a couple of news on their platform. So our advantages, safe and stable. Okay, you have professional compliance, user first, high performance, with 300,000 transactions per second. The other response time is less than 1 millisecond. So we are still going to come back to this. So first, the global market, multi-language support. Yeah, that's quite impressive. It shows that they are user-centric. Okay, professional compliance, professional operation team, years of experience in blockchain and financial industry, holding a compliant digital asset trading license and a 100% deposit guarantee. So safe and stable, okay, top-notch technical team, comprehensive security protection, independent research, development of high-speed transaction engine, stable and reliable operation under massive concurrent transactions. About us. So CBEX Exchange Global Professional Station is an innovative digital asset trading platform that serves professional in trading users around the world and is committed to discovering high quality and innovative digital assets investment opportunities. Currently, it provides more than 40 digital assets products, trading, and investment services. Headquartered in Singapore, it is powered by the CBEX Exchange Global, and I think they have some affiliates in UK, South Korea, Hong Kong. You know, trade anytime, anywhere. Okay, of course they have a mobile app on Play Store for your Android users, or you are iPhone user, so you have access to those trading platforms. So you can contact the support if you have any issues. You can say hi, not like this. Okay, you can say hi. Maybe you have withdrawal issues. I have withdrawal issue. Okay, sorry about that. So hopefully somebody's gonna attend to us. Okay, let us wait for that. Okay, that's live customer support. All right. So let's me check that if someone has replied to that message. So we're still gonna come back to this. So it's quite an amazing platform, and they are powered by AI. That is what I have heard about them. They are powered by artificial intelligence, and they give you trades. I think on daily basis. Yeah, they send trades to you. You take those trades, and the good part is that you are not going to lose that trade. Okay, so let's check the market. They have the futures market. They have the perpetual market. You can convert if you want. Let's click on perpetual market. Okay, okay, this is perpetual market right here. All right, you can see that. So let us now try the futures markets, which is this one. All right, I can see that this is not much different from the perpetual interface, isn't it? So you can place your trades So what they do is that they give these guys signals on the platform to place trade. They place a trade and they make profits. Okay, that is how it works. All right, that is how it works. Okay, there's a specific time when they give them the time to, that's how it works. So you can see, okay, you enter the trade, like call and put. If you put, if you call, call means you're buying and put means you're selling. The options, okay, it's options. All right, that's how option trading works. In case you don't know how it works, okay. So that's how it works. You are going to be waiting for them. It is not you that will be going to the platform to trade, okay. If you do that, you lose your money. So you wait for them to give you signals. They post across social platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram. It flies around everywhere. Then you input those things, then you use the trade signal to make trade on their platform. Does that make sense to you right now? So um, let's check the markets. This is the market here. Okay, they have different assets available right here on the platform. Okay, that you can trade. But the one you are going to trade, they are the one that will give you the insights on the specific one that you can trade on the platform. Then you have the assets. You can deposit and withdraw, transfer, convert. If you want to like deposit, it will show you options. Okay, you have Tron deposit and you have the Ethereum deposit. If you select this, then you can copy this. Okay, so let us go to Etherscan to see if you can have an idea of what is going on right here on Etherscan. So just let's check it out. This is a review of CBEX platform, review of CBEX.cx platform. Okay, that's exactly what we are doing today. So yeah, let me see. I see there is no transaction here. Okay, because we are yet to make any deposits whatsoever right here, and we're not able to track the parents because this is like a child address. It's not a parent address. Okay, this is the wallet that is linked to wallets. So you don't have access to that specific wallet. You can't track the inflow of assets and outflow of assets into that wallet. So, but this is basically how to make deposits on the platform. You can either use Tron or use Ethereum. It depends on your choice. Does that make sense to you now? So if you go to support center, that's where you can get support from the customer service. The announcement page is also there for you. Okay, so let's check if there's been a response to our chat. Okay, there's no response yet. Let's see if you're going to have any response. It's been like 5 minutes that we've made out. We send that DM. No response yet. Okay, so now let's now go back to the home page because this is a review. It has to be a full-blown review. All right. So let us check the domain. Okay, domain lookup. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check what's up with that domain. Okay, this is the domain right here. Let me copy it. Okay, let me check some details about it. So if you want to invest into this platform, or want to try it out, you need to watch this to the end. Okay, so they registered the domain last year. Okay, and they updated this 2025 again, and they're expecting that domain to expire in 2030. Okay, that should give you confidence that this guy, they are trying to play a long-term game. Okay, a long-term game. Now let us now check the traffic. Let's go to similarweb.com. All right, let's check it out on SimilarWeb. Let's see what we can see about it. It's going to be a nice platform anyways. Okay, let's do some analysis right here. Okay, we have to wait. Yeah, so SimilarWeb was loading quite slowly, so I had to use an alternative for that. So they have an organic traffic of 3.5K, okay, which is not bad at all. Okay, and the value of traffic is like $1,400. Okay, if they are running advert or something like that on their platform. So we have, this is Kenya, you know, traffic from Kenya is 84% traffic from Kenya, 7% traffic from United Kingdom, Mexico 3%, United States 3%, and Germany 2%. Okay, it is just getting started here in Nigeria. So on the list I have, you have Mexico, United States, Germany. Okay, but let us check the data on similar web. The similar web says it is ranked among the top 100 websites in Nigeria presently. All right, and this is the bounce rate. This is the total visits. This is the global rank. And it is ranked among the top. I think this is like number 220,000 globally. It is massive. It is a massive movement. Okay, country rank in Nigeria. Okay, global rank. You can see that this is the country rank right now. Okay, let's look at the global rank. So looking at this, the last month visit has been growing gradually for a new website like this. Then if you check closely, you see that a lot of traffic is coming from Nigeria lately. All right. So you can see 22.12% of traffic is currently coming from Nigeria. So Egypt, Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Switzerland, and 50% to other countries. Okay. My people, how na deal? So you can see now that, this is where the traffic is coming from. It means that most people on the platform, they are from Africa. Okay, there is no doubt about it. Now, if you go back to this website, that's why I said that I'm going to help you to dive deeper into this. They said the user first 247 in uninterrupted operations. They can reach, they can support you. Now, are they supporting you or they're not supporting you right now? Okay, no reply yet. All right, high performance, 300,000 transactions per second. This is not a blockchain, for God's sake. This is an exchange we're talking about. Okay, this is not a blockchain. So, professional compliance, they don't have any license in any country. Okay, if you have any proof that these guys are regulated and licensed by any new countries, please let me know in the comment box. I would like to ask you for evidence. Okay, safe and stable, well, that is very, very debatable on that. Okay, so then if you do not go back to the platform, okay, let me now look at this. If you go to the futures platform here, you can see call and put, which is options markets. Okay, this is options market, right? If you come here, okay, you are not the one who is making the trade. Okay, they are going to be the one that will give you through their AI platform and say, okay, buy, and if you pay close attention, the profit is guaranteed. Okay, a trading platform is not positive sum. Okay, for those of you that understand game theory, a trading platform is zero sum. That means that those that are in profits are actually taking money from those who are losing, and those who are losing are actually donating money to those who are making profits. That is how those platforms are built, whether forex, stock market, or whatever market it is. But this guy, if they have 100,000 users and they give all of them that signal, and all the 100,000 users input the signal the same way, okay, for all the 100,000 users, their profit is what? Is guaranteed. Now, where is the liquidity coming from? Okay, where exactly are they getting their liquidity from? Any platform that tries that, whether on Binance, if everybody makes profit on Binance, Binance is going to collapse within few hours. It is definitely going to collapse. As big as Coinbase is, if all the traders of Coinbase makes profit, Coinbase will collapse. As a matter of fact, any broker, whether if it is forex broker or stock broker, if everybody makes profit, it will collapse. Okay, because it is similar to a bank whereby all their customers decide to withdraw their money the same day. That bank is going to collapse. That's how the model works. Okay, that is the economy that powers those systems. So if there is not a platform that gives everybody a signal that gives them guarantee of winning for that day, you should know that this is not true. Okay, this is just the front. This chart you're looking at is probably the front end for a mega Ponzi, right? It's probably a front end for a mega Ponzi. So my question now is, do you want to continue, if you're already on this platform, okay, and you're watching this review, do you want to continue to swim with this Ponzi scheme? Okay, I'm asking you right now. Or, okay, if you're already invested in this platform, you have to be careful. Okay, you have to start taking out your money from the platform because it is not a trading platform, it is a Ponzi platform. Okay, so what you are getting in bits on daily basis, they are trying to pay you part of your money to bring in more money, to bring in more people to the platform so they can continue to sustain the platform system. You get it now? This is how it works. If you look at all of their seminar across the country, it's not much different from MMM seminars. Okay, it is not much different from what is this one called? There is this forex platform that crashed. MBA forex platform is not much different from that platform. Okay, so you need to be extremely careful. It's not different from this prime capital Ponzi. I forgot the name of that forex Ponzi scheme. Okay, the last one. Okay, so it is not different from those schemes. So this is an honest review from someone who has a lot of experience in financial market industry, in forex, in crypto. Okay, be mindful of what you do. So instead of you chasing Ponzi scheme all around everywhere, it is even safer, okay, better for you to enroll for a trading course, okay, and learn how to grow your account. This is a testimony for people who have actually taken the course, okay. Some of these guys are people who have actually been invested in Ponzi before, and they found this course to be quite impressive and quite, there are a lot of testimonies right here, okay. You can see. You see that? Okay, a lot of reviews, good reviews and testimony. So instead of you to start focusing your mind on chasing Ponzi on all around, and ask yourself, you've been doing this for the past few years, and you're still moving around the same cycle of Ponzi schemes. Okay, taking money from Peter to people. Aren't you tired of this? So if truly you are tired of this, I think it's about time to start, thinking forward. Okay, and do the right thing. So it doesn't make sense to lose money to Ponzi scheme every now and then. I think you should be wiser and be better at this point in time. So that's all I have to say about the review of CBEX. Uh, I've had a couple of DMs, my WhatsApp especially, to review these platforms. It is definitely not a trading platform. Okay, it's a Ponzi AI. If they tell you they're using an AI to trade or to give some signals, you know, if you really want to test their signals, okay, take it and use it on other platforms. If they ask you to call or to put, try it on other platforms. Okay, go and call crypto on Bybit. Go and put, there is option on Bybit really. Okay, so go and put on Bybit, go and call on Bybit and see the results. Okay, so I'm open to learning. Don't forget, if you have an evidence that this is actually a true platform and it works, just let me know. I can have a live session with you and show me. I don't mind. Okay, you show me. So that's how it is. So I wish you a lovely day. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notification bell for all the videos on this channel. Okay, that is important. Leave your comment down below, like the video and share with your friends. If there are people who are just still contemplating on joining the platform, share the video with them. There are people who are on the platform already, share the video with them so that they can make a better and informed decision. See you and have a lovely day.